So you want to start a nonprofit. You can, and we are here to help. Hi, I'm Doug. My team and I have been helping people start and grow their nonprofits for over 30 years. We all know that in order to start a nonprofit, you have to fill out an application for the IRS. However, starting a nonprofit is so much more than just filling out an application. And that is why most nonprofits close shortly after starting. Your nonprofit starter kit will lead you through the steps necessary to not only fill out your application, but will also prepare you for other crucial things that you need to do in order to start your nonprofit on a strong foundation and keep it running. In fact, we are here to help you even after you have begun your nonprofit. Your nonprofit starter kit is presented in modules. Each module presents an essential aspect of starting a nonprofit. In each module, you will be taught what to do and how to do it. You will also be able to download articles of incorporation and bylaws that you can use for your organization. Our modules cover things like why. Define your purpose of your nonprofit. State the intention of your nonprofit. Explain how you're going to do it. That's in Module 1. Those are things that the IRS needs to know. So we help you walk through that. Module 2, we talk about how to choose a name and how to register a name. In Module 3, we talk about identifying help for your nonprofit because you can't do it by yourself. We also talk about establishing board expectations and choosing your board. In Module 4, we talk about articles of incorporation and bylaws. In Module 5, we talk about incorporating your organization. We talk about publicizing the incorporation of your organization and applying for an EIN. In Module 6, we talk about opening a checking account and developing a budget, which is crucial for your IRS application. In Module 7, we talk about applying for nonprofit status with the Internal Revenue Service. Each of our modules is crucial in the process of not only filling out your application and getting it accepted, but also making sure that you have established your nonprofit on a strong foundation. So don't delay. Get your nonprofit starter kit today.